some granny, bro. Like, where the fuck did you get your license from? People above the age of like 70, 75 should not be allowed to drive anymore. Like, I'm sorry to your grandma or grandpa, like, granny. Like, no, you should not be able to drive a car. Like, bro, at least make them do another test, cause like, that's just dangerous, bro. Especially if you're on a bike, bro. Like, regardless, like, if you're just like on a regular car either way, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's just dangerous, you know? Nice Porsche though. L Beamer, bro. L Beamer, bro. Gapped. Ah! Nah, I'm flying, bro. Like, what a L Beamer, bro. I gotta turn, bro. I gotta turn. Bro, on God, I'm not gonna speed today, bro. On God, I'm not gonna speed today, bro. I can't. Oh, I'm already speeding. Fuck. Oh shit, opposite there. On God, I wasn't gonna speed today. Let's go! I made a new friend today. Let's go! Yo, fellow biker! Yo! What's good? Yo, what's good? Bro, what? Yo, what's good? Yo! No, why am I calling you? Yo, my fellow biker friend, let's go, bro. Let's biker friend. Yeah. She likes it too, bro. Biker friend, dude, no way. Another fellow biker friend. Where'd he go? Where did my fellow biker friend go? Yeah, I think I'm kind of lost, but I'm not using GPS right now. I think I'm here. Yeah, fellow biker. my button. My button. I think I'm here. Come outside. It's been too long. We are reunited.
This shit's sexy.
We are reunited. It's good, bro. How you been?
Good. I'll see you.
Alright, bro. It's been real.
Yo,
You too, man. Thank you.
I'm gonna text you one day, bro, so you can come over.
Yeah, bro, for sure.
Alright.
Yo, get him real quick so I can dive him up.
What's up, bro?
Yo, bro, it's been real.
Alright, bro. That's it.
Appreciate it. You're probably gonna hear me.
I want to hear it.
But what the fuck, bro? The hike scared the fuck out of me. I'm not gonna lie with you guys. Oh my god. Yo, what the fuck? Bro, that shit was too loud. Oh my god. Yo, what the fuck? Bro, that shit was too loud. Oh, Urus Killer. This is fucking nice. This place, sick. Yo, look at this nice, amazing weather in Florida. Why can't Florida be like this every single day, every single hour? You know? Just be nice and, you know, look at this. This is beautiful. It's not cold, but like it's nice, you know?